Right, sixth grade teachers, last lab in concept 1.1. I hope this first concept has gone really well for you. Hope that you guys can close and kind of wrap things up. Move on to the next one. These are just such fun learning activities, different strategies that come in. So let's dive into this one. This one is about the muscular system. So a lot of cool stuff here. I actually have a few ideas for how to implement this one, but we're going to open up activity 23. Again, a few ways to get there. I like using the curriculum map to take me right to where I need to go. Now, you'll also see, I'm not going to cover it, but this activity also comes with an SOS strategy. Hopefully, you've been seeing those and utilizing those in your instructions. You can watch this video to kind of see what that is. I did not, prior to this video, prep and look at what that is, but that might be a useful way to implement this lab. The idea that I had for this lab, and you definitely want to use the student guide for them to track down their notes, is that you can do this lab in where different groups are responsible for categorizing and research a specific muscular system. So they can all be assigned a different system, and they have to present to the rest of the class what they've learned. Because all this simulation really is just a grouping of videos. And so I won't go through and play them all, but it's basically, okay, I want to know about rotating my arm. And then I click play. And then it's going to take me from here. It's going to highlight, hey, we're looking at the arm. Here's a simulation, the different muscles. But if you turn this into okay, each group has to present a different muscle movement, and they have to write down what are the different muscles, summarize these statements over here, demonstrate the movement, how they present. They can use these videos to help gather their information, and you can provide other resources as well, so that way they can do a short presentation to the class. Doesn't have to be a lot, or have them diagram on chart paper some of the stuff. So I think that's a good way to implement this, because if you just tell your students to go ahead and click through and click play, it's just like it's too many videos. I think for sixth grade students, so doing it in groups, having them provide the information to everybody else, and then the other groups are trying to fill out that student guide with the information that they get. And so you can pick a group that, okay, so this is my lower tier group. I'm going to give them this one is biceps, triceps, more familiar, simpler. And then some of the more difficult ones you can give to your higher leaning groups. So however you want to handle that, but I think this is a pretty good one to have students work in groups and then present their learnings to others. You could also do this as a whole class. Now there's no audio to these videos, which is unfortunate. This only reads out this little thing. So no audio, it won't read them out to them, but it does play it, and you can replay, hit pause, play, and so students can pause it to take their notes. Okay, that is it. That is concept 1.1, and I will see you guys in 1.2 and in the next video.